Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your A's on Discord. Alright, so to change the A's on your Discord, what you have to do is follow the video until the end. So first go to Google and here search for Discord help, and over here you can see the Google Discord submit request. Click over here and select the help that you want with. So here you can see we have A's update request. So over here you have various options that you can choose from. So here we have the title of how can we help. So here you can see we have the option for update my A's information. Click over here and you can enter your phone number. It is optional. So here fill in all the details such as your date of birth, and let's click on this button over here. And now what you have to do is enter the subject of your request type. So here if you want to change your A's on Discord, what you have to do is enter the subject line as I want to change my A's. So here you can give a short description of what actually happened and how you want to make some changes on your A's. So once you have written this description, what you can do is submit this request and Discord will get back to you soon with your new updated A's on Discord. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.